Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I am here at the beach trading binary option live. I just had a live session, so means even though I'm in holiday, I still do my live sessions. But before I get to the results of what I have done today, make sure that if you want to follow me, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so by now. Turn on the bell notification. That means for the ones that have subscribed also to do that, because then you never lose a live stream from me. Now, as my internet connection was not so good, I think the ones that tuned in for today, for example, was not able to follow properly. I will be back to normal in Wednesday. At my office we have a good internet connection, good everything. Okay. Now, another thing you need to make sure for you to be able to copy what I'm doing, open with the same broker I'm using. You find link below the video, and you also find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. But you should, with the link below the video, you will also automatically get a demo account. If you go in normally, you don't get a demo account for some reason, but with my link you automatically get one. So make sure you just open a demo account in the start. Try to join me, especially from Wednesday, so you can see if you manage to copy what I'm doing. Okay. Now let's get to the result of our live stream we had today. So as you can see, we did 15 trades. Out of 15 trades we got let's see, I think we lost just 3 trades today. 12 winners we got today. Let me see. I will only count the losers. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So we got 12 winners out of 15 trades. That is a profit of 876. Now you see, every time I'm trading I get cash back. So now when you push this button here now, that will be added to our balance. So let's do that. We push here now. We got ourselves another $60. That means our total profit is at $936. I will say that is a very good profit from a Monday morning when you're enjoying yourself in a holiday. So once again, make sure you open with the link you find below the video for this broker. Open at least a demo account, so at least from Wednesday, I will be back again tomorrow. But if you want to really see the best live, come back in Wednesday and we can be trading together. Okay, so then I'll see you then. Have an amazing day and enjoy yourself. And you can also start to test a little by yourself. Just try to put up support and resistance zones, and you will figure out that it's very easy to make money with binary option. Have an amazing day.